Hello everyone, my name is YIM SIVLEAN. I'm here today to talk about feelings. There are many kinds of feelings like sad, happy, nervous, or surprised. Today, I will talk about different feelings and how can we get them. Happy feeling. Happy feelings, it happen when your dream come true or when you have good contact with your family, friends, beloved, or soulmates, of course. Sad feelings. Sad feelings, it happen when you have lots of trouble like family troubles, friends troubles, love, work, school, or people around you. Surprise feeling. Surprise feeling, it happen when you hear good news or when someone accept love. Nervous feeling. Nervous feeling, it happen when you on exam. Everyone have it and me too. Or when you hide or lie with your mom and they know it. So that's it. Important feeling that people around the world always have it. Thank you for listening.